Hello everybody, I am NicoD. I am back with the RockPi 4B. I have gotten a preview image of RecalBOX for the RockPi and it is really awesome. So RecalBOX is Kodi together with RecalPi. In Kodi the sound doesn't work yet, but 4K videos do work great. The video clip that I've tried in the Linux that didn't work works on Kodi, but sound doesn't work yet. But this is just a preview image, so this can be fixed when the image will come out. In the emulation station most consoles work great, PlayStation works really fantastic, Nintendo 64, a lot of games work really great, not all of them are perfect, but most of them work really well, and all the other consoles also work really great. So it's really a fantastic image. With this image, the RockPi 4B really comes very close to being perfect. It is a lot better than a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus for emulation. It even does a lot better than the XU4. So now this is the best SBC for emulation. Also watching videos will be great soon. So I will show you around in RecalBOX and I will show you a lot of games. So here we go. First of all, I will show you Kodi. This is what you see when you first boot. It will take some time before it boots, just wait until you see this screen. So I am using a PlayStation 3 controller. I can't use it yet with Bluetooth, so I need to use the cable. It's detected immediately and it works perfect with the cable. Bluetooth should be fixed by the time you see this video. All I need to do to go to Kodi is press the rectangle button on the PlayStation controller. This is the 4K Big Bug Bunny video. It does play well, but there is no sound yet in Kodi. I've also tried USB audio adapters and it also doesn't work. So I hope this will be fixed by the time this image will be out. Now onto the games. There are different ways to copy ROMs to the system. You can do this with the network or via external storage. To do this over the network, we first need the IP address. So here I first connect my Wi-Fi. I had a lot of problems copying big files over Wi-Fi, so it is best to use Ethernet. It is also faster over Ethernet. If you are connected via Ethernet, just look here in network settings and you will see the IP address. Otherwise, just connect your Wi-Fi like this. Now we have got the IP address, so we can type this in a browser on another computer in the same network. And then it goes to RecalBOX Manager. Here you can configure everything for RecalBOX. And you can also upload ROMs here. Another easy way with Windows is to go to Start. There in search you type in 2 times / and then the IP address. Then you will get a window to log in. So the login name is root and the login password is RecalBOX root. So here you can just copy all the files you want to copy. Another way to use RecalBOX is to use an external storage device. So for that we go to System Settings and we change the storage device from internal to the name of your storage device. It will then create a folder on your storage device where you can put the ROMs. I'm using my Chinese SSD and as you see it's full of games. So now I will show you how well it performs with emulating games. I will start with the 16-bit consoles and then go upwards towards the newer ones. So first the Sega Master System. I had one when I was small, so I loved that console. So it was fun to play those games again. I'm not much of a gamer, so I really suck at these things. Until now all games worked perfectly, but with Nintendo 64 games there were some problems. Here with 1080 snowboarding there is only a small square with the image, so to change that we need to go to Advanced Settings, Advanced Emulator Configuration, there go to Nintendo 64 and change the emulator. If you have got problems with Nintendo 64 games, just select another emulator and see what it does. Even with changing the emulator some games don't work well. For example, Hot Wheels runs awful, but most games did work well.
You did it! Hot Wheels Turbo Racing! Fight. Smoke wins.
Most PlayStation portable games work very well, except for Tokka. There is a lot of screen tearing and a lot of artifacting. With most PSP games that don't run perfect, you can change some settings to make it run better. As you see, the Rock-Pi 4 is very capable to emulate game consoles, and 4K video will also be possible soon. I hope they can fix the Bluetooth in emulation station and the sound in Kodi by the time this image will be out. I've gotten it a week early so I could make this video for it. I hope you all like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you later. Bye.
A new lap record. Last lap. There's hardly any fuel left. Return to the pit.